Welcome! In this walkthrough, I'll guide you through finding your Google Analytics tracking code so you can start collecting data from your website. Let me show you how these interactive bubbles work throughout the demo. They'll highlight exactly where you need to click and what to do at each step. First, we'll navigate to Data Streams, which is where all your property tracking configurations are managed. Here, you'll choose which data stream you want to work with. Each stream represents a different website or app you're tracking. Notice you have the option to add a new stream here if you need to set up tracking for an additional property in the future. Perfect! This is the measurement ID you'll need to copy and paste into your website code to enable tracking. Before wrapping up, always verify that it shows Data Flowing in the Tag Instructions section. This confirms your analytics is working correctly. That's all there is to it. You now know exactly where to find your tracking code and how to verify it's collecting data properly.